Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the dialer and go to these three dots and click on settings icon here, settings option here, and go to call background, and this is the call background by default. If you want to change it, click on background, and here you can change the layout. You can choose video also, or you can set this video as a call background. Oh, so when you make any call or when you receive any call, this background will appear in the screen. Okay, you can also select layout, click on layout, and here other layout is available. Okay, choose how to show caller information for contacts with profile pictures. Okay, this is first layout. Okay, name and number. Then this is other layout. This is somewhat different than previous one. I was keeping second option, that is photo is right to the name. Okay, in the second layout. In the first layout, photo is below the name and number. Okay, that's the different. Yes, that's it, different here. And you can also choose your own background. Click on background and click on this plus symbol, and you can select any photo from your gallery. Okay, so here I go to I choose this photo and click on set as call background, and this photo will appear in the a call, whether you receive a call or whether you make a call. Okay, whatever may be. So here now I show the demo. I make a call from my number. I make a call and see call background. In the background, that photo is appeared. Okay, see here. Okay, so in this way you can easily set any desired call background for your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.